Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make your on-fleek ponytail. So I'm going to start off by applying edge control onto my hair, then I'm going to apply hair food by styles, and then I'm going to seal it off with olive oil. So this is a very simple ponytail that I'm going to do, and I want you guys to follow through because it's very easy to do. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, please. So I'm going to put my hair into a bun, actually a ponytail, a smaller one. This style is very easy to do and it's very quick, and the only time I do this style is when I'm feeling lazy to do my hair. You know, you can't always do your hair. I can't do my hair every day, so this is my go-to style if I go to college or to work. So as you can see, I'm done with doing my edges. I'm going to wrap my hair with my slick duke, and now it's time for the real work. So I'm going to use one packet of extension by Darling Hair, and I'm going to use an elastic to wrap my hair around with it. And I'm going to split the extensions 3 parts. I'm going to make 3 parts, split them into 3 parts, and then try braiding. And guys, please follow through as I demonstrate. I'm going to braid my hair all the way down. As you can see, I'm done. So I've just braided the extensions. You can see how long it is, and you can even put some accessories on it, you know, style it, give it some life, because this ponytail is gonna be on fleek. I promise you guys. This is a very easy style. Wrap it around your ponytail. Please follow through as I demonstrate. This ponytail is on fleek. I can see it. And please leave a comment, guys, if you like this video, if you like It will make me happy, and please subscribe to my channel.